Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Time to start training this pooch to stay off of my couch and in her own spot. And making my dog her own spot was super simple with this pet mat from Mora Pets. This pet bed is not only cute to look at, it's also well made and super soft and comfy. My family was impressed by its durability. Our sweet pup is not gentle. She likes to dig and fluff before she gets comfortable, and this mat has shown no signs of giving out. It has a non-slip design on the back, so I don't have to worry about it sliding around on my floors or slipping out from under my pup when she's trying to get comfy. On the other side is a soft, cute star pattern that even I would want to cuddle up with. This company offers several different sizes and styles that will fit your pet and decor and fit nicely in a crate. This mat is machine washable with no disassembly required, which I thought was a fantastic feature. So easy to put in the washing machine and dryer and then lay it back out for your pet. Everyone in your family, including your pet, is going to love this mat, and that's my point of view.